In order for us to make an input function to the user, we must declare a variable which corresponds to its data type. When you declare a variable for a string, you need to put the length beside the variable name and enclose it with open and close bracket, just like I did in the variable full name. Instead of using scanf, I use the getS function because getS function accepts 2 or more strings while scanf function accepts only one string. In this case, if we input the full name, we need to use 2 or more strings. The use of the \n before the print statement is to print the whole statement to another line. It is very important because it prints a clean output. In order to print the input value, we need to call the data types of the input. In this case, I want to call the input value of the full name and age. So I call them as &s for the full name, which is the string, and &d for the age, which is the integer. Now let's run the program. And here is the output of the program we did. We successfully print the input values of full name and age. You can take a screenshot of the source code. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.